last summer, right after school came out, we went down to San Antonio, Texas, and we participated in the International Science and Technology Education Conference. And we presented to a group about 45 to 50 people on 3D printing and education and how it's helpful for the classroom. I'm Ryan Kennedy, I'm a junior and I'm a 3-sport varsity athlete. You learn so much in here. If you take it seriously, you can literally learn anything that you want. Yes, there's tools in here that I can use, or you can go deeper into learning anything that you want to do or you have ideas to do. They can get put in real valuable things here. It's how far will you take it? We're encouraged to come and use this center. This year we got a robotics team going just because we had the space to do it, and they went up to Montreal. They were competing against companies that were funded by NASA. And if this center wasn't here, probably 3/4 of the projects would have never happened. It sets USM on a pedestal. The teachers, they're gonna help you and pick you back up, set you on the right path to do better the next time. It's not always gonna work out the first time, but you gotta try again and prototype. That was really helpful for what I wanna go into. My future plans are to become a mechanical engineer. Thank you to everyone who donated and everyone who invested in the community. If I were to sum up my USM experience in one word, it'd be unbelievable.
In my mind, really, theater is about empathy. It's about learning how to take on the life story of another person, taking that effort to understand where people are coming from. I'm Savannah Miracle. I'm a senior at USM. I came here as a freshman. I think a lot of the creative process that I've been able to be a part of has been through theater. In addition to theater, I'm involved in the Global Scholars Program, and I've been a part of class board and student council, and so USM has stretched who I am both as a student and as a person.
And I'm glad that we're finally kind of have the logistics worked out to make it happen.
I've learned a lot about time management, to be sure. Coming from previous schools before this, the most notable thing about USM that's had a major impact on me is absolutely the teachers.
This whole deliberation of the
To be able to read this book and take it seriously.
I think a lot of times the school has the perception and the stereotype of being very, very intense, and that you have to be the best of the best in order to be successful. And that doesn't have to be the case. Everyone here really wants you to be the best version of yourself. I'm here on a very generous scholarship, and I'm so thankful to have had that opportunity. I don't know exactly where I'm headed for college, and I'm not quite sure what I'm majoring in yet, but I'm confident that no matter what path I end up taking, I'll be prepared for that. The people around me and the opportunities that we're being given, it gives me so much hope for where this world is headed. Looking at all of the incredible things that people here have accomplished already, I can't wait to see what's coming next.
When I applied, I knew that the faculty and students were the main reason that I really wanted to come, because I felt welcomed and I wanted to come back every single day, even as a middle schooler. My name is Ava Robledo. I'm a current sophomore here at the University School of Milwaukee. It's been a phenomenal 2 years, and I'm very grateful to be here. Here at University School, I do a lot of things. One of my main focuses is student council, and I help run different activities in the school, like the blood drive. Besides this, I do Trident, which is our all-school yearbook. I'm an editor. I do Spanish Honor Society alongside with our Latinx Unidos affinity group for students that identify as Hispanic and Latino. Here we talk about different social justice issues, which I like to advocate for a lot. University School has allowed me to excel by giving me a place where I can share my voice.
Let's say like today, you're not going to be a beneficiary of DACA because you don't qualify.
As a bilingual student, I have a special responsibility to serve those that might not feel as comfortable speaking out for themselves. Many students in Milwaukee are not fortunate enough to have the opportunity to attend a great high school as University School because of financial backgrounds. I sort of want to create a bridge that allows students to know that their dreams have no barriers. My scholarship that I have right now is everything. It really does go a long way in helping me achieve my goals and dreams. I'd like to pursue a career in the medical field. That's a long way to go, but I feel really confident in the support that I have. And I feel very grateful for all the donors. Those donors are really giving lots of kids that really want to exceed in academics the opportunity to exceed, and that's really great. And I feel very grateful every day. If I were to sum up my experience here at University School in one word, it would be surreal.